voluntary working in South Korea and rodeo clinic. Today I am introduced some client of mine. She have nasal level 4. She is only 49 years old. Now you can see there's some flaws and lines here. Nasal level 4 here and baggy lower lid. And when smile she have crowfit. 웃어보시겠어요? 좀만 더 많이 웃어보세요. 예. When she smile she have some wrinkles more deeper. At the time we can serve some reserves. One is thread lifting, and second is Botox, and third is filler injection. Now I will introduce you something of procedure who's thread lift. Okay. Today I have some material made by Metro Korea. There's some cold thread and some tornado. This thread is cold lifting. One pack have 5 thread. Usually I lift 2 points. One is here and one is here. Lifting this way make nasal level 4 will decrease. And here, lifting this way make this line is straightening. I use 2 points here. Cold thread is big and long because of that. Before we use this one, I use the injection lidocaine 2 point here. The outer side of the comb is written 21Z and 10 millimeter, 100 millimeter. 참으셨어요. 좀 아프셨죠? 지금 살짝 조금만 좀 들어가는 느낌 나세요. Okay, 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 okay. The depth is here. That's the report. You see the depth here. And you see the line is here. Remove the needle. This way. Can you see the lifting? This way. See the cowl thread is here. The hook. And we pull and scissor it down and cut this manner. It's one cowl is inserted. First is this direction, and second, I think this right direction is more effective. 아유, 잘 참으겠습니다. You see here. Pull out needle. Scissor. It is hooked this area. When we pull this right direction, it was an upper lift. It is solid thread. One is here, and this one is third. I use only one side here. Use 3 threads. One is here, one is here, and one is here. This direction. Can you see the difference? The angle of mandible is more straightening than this. This has some hanging. And this level 4 is more smaller. Here is skin diffuse. I do the different side. I use motor this about 9, 8. Remove. 성인을 넣어서 어디로 넣는 거죠? 눌러주세요. 빵 눌러주세요. 빵, 우리 정면 보시고 빵 눌러주세요.